Chakras are commonly described as energy centers that correspond to various organs and nerves in the body. There are unique and specific ways to balance each chakra, including practices for increasing the energy of a chakra when it is too low, and practices for calming the energy of a chakra when it is too high. Let us discuss. 1. Root chakra. This chakra is at the base of the spine and is associated with the element of earth and the color red. Referred to as the root chakra, it is connected to courage, self-care, as well as stability. The mantra that corresponds with this chakra is Lam. If root chakra is in balance, you to feel grounded and confident. Excess energy in this chakra leads to greed and annoyed. Low energy in this chakra can leave you feeling disconnected from your job, family, and true self. To increase your root energy, wear red, walk barefoot in nature, and do gardening. 2. Sacral Chakra. It is located in the area of the pelvis. It is also known as the creativity chakra, as well as the chakra associated with sexual desire. Its color is orange, and its element is water. Creativity and pleasure stem from this energy center. The mantra that corresponds with this chakra is Vam. Balance in the second chakra allows you to feel comfortable in your own skin and accepting of your emotions. It also allows for creative expression of self. When the sacral chakra is over-energized, you may look past your faults and become hyper-focused on pleasure. It can lead to excessive indulging and codependence. Low energy in this chakra can lead to creative blocks, feeling unloved, and emotional roller coasters. To increase your sacral energy, spend time near water, such as oceans, rivers, or lakes, get a massage or spend time journaling. 3. Solar Plexus Chakra. The third chakra is associated with personal power, energy, and transformation. Its color is yellow, and its element is fire. The mantra that corresponds with this chakra is Ram. Balance in the third chakra is indicated by high self-esteem, strong charisma, and confident decision-making. When the energy of this chakra is too high, tempers may flare, and you may feel a need to control everything and everyone. Low energy can lead to poor appetite, anxiety, disorganization, and difficulty staying on task. To increase your sacral energy, enjoy spicy foods, get out in the sunshine, wear gold. 4. Heart Chakra. Perhaps the most familiar chakra is the heart chakra. Its color is green, and its element is air. It is deeply associated with love, compassion, forgiveness, and peace. The mantra that corresponds with this chakra is Yam. When energy flows freely, you will experience compassion, love, and acceptance. If you are experiencing jealousy or feeling clingy, you may have too much heart energy. Signs that your heart chakra may be blocked or low in energy include feeling shy or lonely, or experiencing an inability to forgive. To increase your heart energy, watch a romantic movie, wear pink quartz, keep rose essential oil handy, and diffuse it, or dab it on your wrists. 5. Throat Chakra. The throat chakra is your center of expression, associated with speaking your truth. Its element is space, the color associated with sky blue color. The mantra that corresponds with this chakra is Ham. When the throat chakra is in balance, you feel authentic, and are a confident conversationalist and good listener. If your throat chakra is too much energized, you have manipulative behavior, arrogance, and being too talkative. When the throat energy is low, there can be a tendency to feel shy, or reticent, or to act in a passive-aggressive way. To increase your throat energy, sing, chant, speak your opinions even when they might be unpopular. 6. Third Eye Chakra. The sixth chakra is found at the center of your forehead, the third eye. Your decisions, intuition, and choice-making are connected with this chakra, whose associated color is purple. The mantra that corresponds with this chakra is Sham. Third eye means beyond wisdom, and in balance you experience expanded imagination, clairvoyance, synchronicity, and intuition. When the third eye chakra is overactive, the mind races. You can feel that buzzy energy of overcaffeination or sleeplessness. It can be difficult to concentrate or stay on task. Low energy impedes your ability to remember and concentrate. Processing speed slows, and you may be prone to procrastination and indecision. To increase your third eye energy, spend time in the sun, explore and release limiting beliefs, pay attention to your dreams. 7. Crown Chakra. The seventh chakra is called the Crown Chakra. It is your connection to your source, spirit, or the collective consciousness. Its color is white or ultraviolet. The mantra that corresponds with this chakra is Aum. In balance, this chakra maintains your self-awareness, wisdom, and connection to the inner compass that guides you to your highest self. Signs of too much crown energy include materialism and rigid self-identity. Low crown energy leads to depression, a sense of disconnection from life, and a lack of compassion. To increase your crown energy, learn something new, meditate, and wear purple. Now that you've learned the main features of your 7 chakras, you can begin to observe your energetic ebbs and flows. Follow the suggested steps to keep your chakras in balance and feel connected to the universe.